Okay, so where we go? Winter Winds by Slim Dusty.
By the waterfall to the rangeland, I'll never say goodbye. When the days grow shorter and the nights grow long, I'll dream beside my campfire then, leisurely strumming on my old guitar, and the winter winds are blowing again. When the winter winds are blowing from the west, and the pale moon rises o'er the mountain crest, I'll cover my pony with her